Alrighty, Danny here. Well, I'm glad you could join me today. Tell you what, let's head on over to Easel, put that headland in, and get some water around it so it's not just hanging in the air. Okay, I'll meet you over at the Easel. And by golly, here we are. Okay, first thing, I got my paints mixed right there. See, I got some blacky purpley stuff, and I got some bluey greeny stuff. Okay, the blacky purpley stuff, that's going to go over here onto this headland, going out into the water like that. Okay, that's where that is destined to live in infamy forever. Put a little more intense color. Okay, just a little more intensity. That's okay. Just like that. Just a little more intensity. There. That'll work. Now, he said, hopefully, let's put a little bit of watery stuff in, okay? Just get a little bit of watery stuff, and I'm just pushing up that watercolor. No pun intended. Okay, now we're just going to, this is where my rotating easel is so nice. I can turn this thing to any angle that I want or that I need, okay? And just like that, we're going to leave this kind of stripy because we want it that way, okay? Come over here at the other side, and we're going to do the same thing right there. And with that, we got our water in and our headland. Okay, be with me tomorrow and we'll start working on our wave, okay? Until then, be sure to hit the like and leave a comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go, we got her done. All righty, tomorrow we'll do some preliminary work on the wave and start getting the actual action of the picture in. Be with me tomorrow, and remember, in the meantime, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love all of you.